Hey marketers, welcome back to the App Bucket YouTube channel. I have been getting a lot of messages on Telegram from people dealing with a common issue. Their ad links keep getting rejected on Facebook. So in today's video, I am going to talk you through a solution that could really change the game. If your link keeps getting rejected every time you try to run Facebook or Google ads, don't worry. Today I will introduce you to a tool that can help you a lot. It's called a link cloaker. Now, what a cloaker does, it is lets you run ads by masking your main link. Instead of directing user straight to the original site, you send them to a white page link first. The platform sees that white page, but your actual traffic is still routed to the main link. This kind of traffic management is a powerful method for those who keeping facing issue, link blocks, rejection, or ad disapproval. Now there are plenty of tools out of there, but the one of I personally use and trust is called Cloaking House. They offer a robust set of features and their user interface is straightforward and easy to navigate. So if you are struggling with ad rejection, I definitely recommended giving Cloaking House a try. Just remember, always make sure you follow Facebook ad policies and never use those tools to mislead or violate platform rules. So without wasting any time, let's get started with our intro. So here I already entered into the Cloaking.house website. So you can see the interface of their front end UI is so much good, and they gives all types of details here, and they also show you that which platform is supported, the link. So and here is their plan. I will show you a screenshot of their plan so you can check their price, and they will gives you 7 days free trial. So first we sign up to these websites. Input your mail, Telegram ID, and select the categories, what types of accounts you want, then create click on the create account. It will automatically create the accounts within 5 seconds. So now I log in the accounts and go to the dashboard. Here is the dashboard open. I will show you all the important features that we must need to create our link. So in the dashboard you can see so many options and features. So first we go to, I will show you one by one. And this is AI white page link, so you can create your AI white page within a minute. They charge only $5 for it. And here is the statics option, so you can see all your statics from here. And this is the domain option, so you can add any types of customized domain what you want to add. So that means you can build your separate link on separate domain. So here they are given all types of information that you must need to read before adding the domain. You see the everything, the interface is very easy, and I think you are not facing any types of trouble to if you want to add your own domain. So now I am going to show you both method, using AI generated white page and using a custom website as your white page. First, let's create an AI white page. To do that, go to the white page section. So I click here create button. After that here you need to enter a name for your white page. So I input a name like offer one. Then after that select a vertical that matches your campaign type. You can choose any category that best fits your offer. There have a lot of options, so find the perfect match for your campaign. Next, you will see 3 AI models available. Simply select the one that suits your need. There is also a theme option which allow you to choose a design that closely matches the look and feels of your main landing page. The final step is selecting a language. You will find a wide range of languages available, so choose the one that best matches your targeted audience. Also, there are a settings that called advanced additional settings. There have a lot of options like domain, company, telephone number and email. Once everything is configured, click the create button. The system will take about a minute to generate your ready to use AI white page automatically. It can take maximum 1 minute to create your ready-made AI white page. I think the page is already created, so click on the download button. A file will download it on your computer, so you just need to upload the file on your cPanel, so you will get a ready-made AI white landing page from there. I already downloaded the file. Here is the file, and if we open the index file, then you can see a landing page will appear. But we are not using this thing right now. We are using a custom domain, and show you and I am showing you how I set using custom domain and set a landing page from there. Now I am going to create a new flow. To do that, I navigate to the flow section and click on the create flow button. First, I enter a name for flow so I easily identify it later. Next, I select the white page file that I configured earlier, which is site.php. In the third field, I enter my offer or landing page URL. This is the page where qualified visitors will be redirected after passing all the traffic filter and rules. Once details are filled in, the basic flow setup is completed, we can move on the next configuration. On the filter section, we can see a lot of things like clocking, black IP list, block transition from VPN, even many more things. Even we can set the specific clicks from specific IPs. Set 2 clicks from one IP. Then I choose my preferred countries. So I click the country section and I type here like Bangladesh, because I need traffic from Bangladesh. So after that, from the device section, I select all the device. You can select it as your requirement. After operating system, I select all the operating system, and next from the browser section, I select all the browsers. After set all this, I click on the save option. Now I'm come to the third page, which is called the status page. So from here I select the status as active and click on the save option. So now my flow is ready to use. So I can download my flow file, and I need to set up it on my custom website. If you have a WordPress website, then you can read all the step-by-step process and set it. So I read all things. So I download the index.php file. Here is the index.php file. Now I open my cPanel to finish the last step. So here I come to my cPanel and I click on public.html file. From here is the public.html file, and here you can see a file called index.php. So you just to change the name and set it like site.php, which we set it as our white page name. So I go back to my download folder and I need to extract the file. So it helped me to upload the file on my cPanel. The file is already extracted. I go back to cPanel and click on upload button. Now I click on select file button. So here is the index file. Simply upload it. Okay, the file is already uploaded. Go back to the cPanel and check it again. Here is our file. Okay, now everything is set up. Let's check our landing page. Is it work or not? So first I enter my landing page link from my IP, which I select the Bangladesh, so I visit the landing page from Bangladeshi IP. So yes, I already open it. It already open my connection on the main landing page. So now I just turn on the VPN connection and open the landing page with VPN, and let's see what happens. So here I am using HMA VPN. I turn on USA location on VPN. After that, I create an incognito mode browser. So first I copy my main landing page link and I create an incognito tab, and my VPN is also open. So I open my main landing page link and see, is it filter my traffic or not? Yes, my connection is redirect to the white page. So here I am using the USA IP, that's why it sent me to the white page. Now let's talk about the pricing of Cloaking.house. Their starter package being at around $49, which is actually a good option for beginners who want to test the platform before scaling. Personally, I recommended starting with the basic package first, so you can understand how the system works and see whether it matches your campaign needs. Another great thing is that they also provide 7 days trial, so you can explore the features and test everything before making a long-term decision. Cloaking.house offers multiple subscription plans depending on traffic volume and requirements, so you can simply visit their website and choose the package that fits your needs best. I have pinned their website link in the video description below. You can also use my promo code mentioned there for additional benefits. Overall, I think this platform provides a very professional and user-friendly traffic filtering system for marketers who are struggling with their link management, landing page quality issue, or traffic optimization challenges. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will back next week another new video full of marketing tips, tricks, and useful tools. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.